Welcome again to another amazing day. This is Aclara electric meter. It is a Form 2S single phase 3 wire rated at CL 200, meaning it can take under 200 ampere. This was used to monitor equipment consumption, not for billing. But we have just replaced it with the BMS. So we just remove this. Let's open it. I already removed the seal over here. And just twist it and it can remove like that. This is the plastic cover. This is what this look like. It has a rubber seal for water protection, and this can be removed by this one, two hooks. Just put it like that, then push the other one, push. Okay, then just remove it like that. You can see there's I think this is a ceramic capacitor for noise filters. These are connected to each line to power this PCB board. The contact is here and here. And this is the current transformer. We can remove this one. See? Wow. It has two current transformer for reading, and you can remove this by removing the locks. See? Also this one. Right. And there you are. You have your current transformer. Also this one is the same. Just put it there. This is the main PCB. To remove this, just push this lock, then remove it like that. See? It's a simple plastic front cover. And there's the display. This is what it looks like. Anyway, you cannot calibrate this if you don't have a calibration equipment. See, cannot tweak this, not like the analog. This is semi-smart, but not for building management. There are two LEDs, an indicator for false counts. Nice. This the front cover. Two LEDs goes here. Not sure about this too. I think they just use this plastic cover to another. So this is, I think this is a universal cover so that they can use this to another model, and other models has use for that one. And this one, I think this is a plug, but they just going to change the PCB so that they don't manufacture different covers for other different models. They just use this and change the level, and voila, it is. That's why I think this one, and this one has no use for this model, but to other models I think it has. Yes, put it back. That's lock. Okay, this one, not sure. Oh, maybe for upgrades or something, because some capacitors are missing, so maybe they also use this to a different model so that they don't manufacture again a different PCB. They just use this as a, what do you call it, universal PCB. And let's check it out. Let's put back the CD, and maybe next time we're going to check this one. Just push it like that and just align it. Ooh. Like that, then push. This one is simple, I think. Yes, this one is the same. Yeah, you can put it like that or in reverse. Ooh, so you can put it like that, then push it. Wow, simple. That's why these are cheaps, because connectors, PCB are all universal. It can be used to other models. So, okay. So this probably has a capacity of 200 ampere below this two. And this one, I just told you that this one is for filtering and reducing noise. This one is the main. Not sure about this one. Maybe some of you viewers knows this and tell me what's this one. And if you check it, this one, I think they also use this as for universal, like this one. This one is for the 5 joules. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 joules. I think, yeah, I think so. See, something's missing. So maybe on the other models there are use for that. Nice. This one, just put it here. Ooh. And what? Like that? Nope. This is the top, so should be like that. See? These are the contacts. Nice, huh? These are the power supply for the board. You just align it like that, and also the other one should be aligned first Yep. And push. See, these are missings. Missing component. I think this is a plug, maybe. Not sure. Nice. Simple. Anyway, if you buy this, you can see it is semi-transparent. You can see the current transformer there. And there you are. So if you have a meter in your house which use as a billing, do not twist. Just pull it out like that. No twisting. Or you're just going to damage, what do you call this? The seal. The calibration seal. And we're good.